Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device actually supports Face ID and is updated to the latest OS. Once done, open Settings and enable Face ID under Face ID and passcode, enrolling your face with steady lighting and natural expression. Then make sure the app you want to use is installed and prepared to accept biometrics. Grant it permission when prompted. Do this now so you can proceed immediately into app-specific integration steps without repeating setup later. Next, open the app and go directly to its security or account settings where biometric options live. Toggle Face ID on, and when the system prompt appears, authenticate using your enrolled face. This links the app to the device keychain. Make sure to configure fallback methods such as a passcode or PIN for edge cases and set a sensible session timeout to balance convenience and security. Once linked, test unlocking or sensitive actions to confirm the app recognizes your Face ID reliably. Finally, validate the integration by running the app through all flows that require Face ID, login, payments, or secure settings. If the app fails to recognize you, first retry inconsistent lighting and remove obstructions like masks or heavy glasses. If issues persist, re-enroll your face in settings or reset Face ID and repeat the app link process. This often clears corrupted data. As a last resort, contact the app's support team with a brief description and any error prompts so they can check service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.